Hi guys, good morning, evening, or night. Today we will be playing a little bit of Animal Hospital with my friend again. This is her first time playing. I've already played a little bit, but yeah.
So you didn't miss anything. You just missed our first enrollment.
Yeah, literally,
Like
you
she was
didn't
teaching
miss
me how to
much.
do things.
I was just teaching her how to do things, and I kind of forgot to record, but it's okay.
It's fine, right?
Yeah, he's fine.
He has a mustache.
No, that's not the guy we're thinking about.
He looks fine.
The other guy has a very prominent mustache. Very prominent.
His tail is pink.
That's okay. He can have a pink tail. Little Rathu.
This is Rathu?
This is Rathu.
I've seen a reel about him.
I know.
Bye, dude. I know he's a dude now.
Are the myths real? Oh my gosh.
He has a sister, by the way.
Hannah, stop lore spoiling. I already know that, but like, still.
You're patient.
Oh my god. I know, Rathu's walking so slow. Whenever the like shop opens up, we need to buy some stuff. Boop, boop.
Oh,
Boop.
by the way.
Yeah?
Boop. When somebody asks for coffee, like, drink like 2 sips of it and then give it to them.
I know. If that guy asks for coffee, drink 2 sips and then give it to him.
Why do you have to do
that? Because and if police show up, I'll be with you when that happens, okay? You want, it's okay. Just, by the way, we might be holding a fugitive, but.
Is this Freaky Friday?
Yay.
Hey, girl.
We're opening up new facilities.
Hey.
Bro, there was a spider in my room last night. Again. And I don't know where it went. Oh my gosh, we can buy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Look at us. Good job. Oh my god. Bro, what the heck?
Still the best.
I'm the one treating them. You're literally just checking them in. This is not fair. Hey.
I think you're okay. You look fine.
Come on.
Alright. I was checking the...
And also, if they have a maid dress on, they're incorrect. But maid dress, yeah.
Welcome to the hospital. Are you whiskers? Hi, girl. Okay, have fun.
Thanks. Why? Why again? Why? Bro.
Bro, you have black eyes. I'm sorry.
Oh. I just want to look up. Man.
No service.
What? No service? Bandages. What room is it? What room are they gonna be in?
I don't know.
Bro.
Why do we have to take a photo of them?
Just in case they are an anomaly.
Welcome, Max.
I'm gonna drink a coffee at the end of this shift, by the way. Actually, when the guy shows up, oh my gosh, he's back.
Hey.
But when the guy with the mustache shows up, can you tell me so I can drink 2 sips of the coffee and then give it to him?
Hey, Rathu.
Hey, Rathu.
Bye.
Bruh. Thank you for that advice, buddy.
Okay, so
Blue,
why?
red, pink,
Okay, girl.
green.
Matthew,
Blue,
I know nothing.
red, pink, green.
Why is the lights flickering?
I don't know. They do that sometimes. Boop.
Matthew's a visitor.
Visiting who? Fever, flu,
I don't know.
headache.
Whoever's in room 1.
Fever. Dang, what
Why are there 3 eyes?
do you need?
Girl.
Cough, medicine.
Oh, thank you.
Cough and then medicine.
Please leave. I'm
Here
out of
we go.
service.
Here we go. Here we go.
No. Yep, you can leave.
She's gone.
What if somebody has a horn on their head?
That's okay. Hannah, what? Are you judging people by their appearance?
No, of course not.
Okay, good. They're good.
Stop doing my job.
Sorry.
Welcome, Sammy Brown.
4.
Okay, bye, girl.
Oh my. Come on, sir.
Very prominent mustache dude.
Oh, I'm coming. Hold on, wait. I'm coming. Let me get the coffee. Hello,
How
Barney.
much sanity do you have?
45. I made myself a coffee. Thank you, buddy. He's very nice. I really enjoy his company.
I'll give him a coffee any day now.
And if he asks you to take a photo and he looks a little weird, that's okay. That's a-okay.
Trust you.
Trust
eat it.
him. Me? No. Shucks.
So, sorry.
Let's see. Bleeding, dehydration, rash. Bleeding, dehydration, and then
Hey, there's 2
rash.
people that came in. Nope.
Oh my gosh, Hannah, I'm gonna come help you. Hold on, I know exactly what you're... Okay. How much... Okay, how much sanity are you at?
55.
Come ask him to leave. Quickly.
Can you go check who that person is?
He's gonna jump scare you.
How are you? Please leave.
He eventually leaves. We were meant to give him coffee, but like that's actually really annoying that they came back to back. Okay.
Thank you for leaving. There's a dude that's carrying a top secret brief.
Oh, that's Ron that's Ron. He's also chill. Hello. Boop. Boop. Bruises, bleeding, fever. Medkit, bandage, thermo. Medkit, bandage. Okay. Ow. Or that hurt.
Ron
really-
from accounting. Hi, Ron from accounting.
Yeah, he low-key chill.
Right back.
Okay. Locked in. Hurry up. Woo. 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 Do. Hello. Whoop. 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 I don't really know what I'm doing. Low sugar dried ice. Maple syrup. And then eye drops. Boop. Boop. Oh, also, I just wanted to thank everyone for 10 subscribers. We are officially in double digits. I feel like that's just very amazing. Hello?
Hey.
Welcome back. Unstable.
Blueberries today.
A blueberry?
I picked blueberries today.
Oh, picked them. You... Hi, Hannah. You see? Whoa! Taser. Yay! Do, do, do. Want that?
I would
Okay.
have gotten it.
Hannah, look it. We have another check-in window.
That's just amazing.
And also they check in 20 times faster.
Why is her like flickering?
That's fine. Oh, a camera's down. I'll go fix that.
Welcome, like a back.
Hello?
Huh?
Not you, sorry.
Oh, can I get coffee?
What's your sanity?
9:30.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, see, so we're actually not open.
Yeah, actually, we're not open today. Boop. Boop. Boop.
Mustache guy's back. Oh crap.
Oh, we're just gonna have to wait then. Luckily, we have 2. We're just gonna wait it out, okay?
See, so
What was that?
we don't have coffee.
Do
See,
not. Just check in. He'll never leave. We're just gonna wait.
Is he an anomaly?
No, he's fine. For some reason.
It's fine.
We're good. Barry, we're not ignoring you. We're making some coffee right now.
Your Keely.
I'm throwing them away.
Trash can. Yeah, trash can.
It counts as like a treated patient, so I don't really care. Boop.
Don't worry, we're making more coffee.
No one will know.
Oh, sorry, actually we're not open.
Hannah, what the heck? Oh my god. No, you cannot do that.
He's
Tase him. Tase him then. Don't close it.
Later, skater. Oh,
Oh.
is he alive again?
Oh, he's getting out of here. Even though he's an anomaly.
There was only one use. Oh.
I know. Can I have the coffee
Wait,
since you already drank it?
I mean, I'm at 45.
Oh,
Where are you at?
43.
I see my. I think you're just randomly like really
What?
this person.
What?
This
Oh.
person right here.
No.
Shoot.
Oh, no. We had 20 seconds.
That might have been my fault because I didn't know that he.
We're cooked.
What happened?
He was normally, okay. If you do his whole dialogue right, normally you'll have to fugitive him Do you just want to restart?
What happens if you?
I think he like kills you or something.
Oh,
So should we restart?
it'd be alright.
No.
Alright, start.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Welcome, Sammy Cloud, and
I kind of need this coffee. Oh, Ron's back.
Ron from accounting.
Ron.
Oh, why is there throw up on the ground?
I cleaned it. Don't worry. Oh shoot! There's another person in here already. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see.
So we're actually not open.
Headache. Herbs. Nope. Here we go. Hello. Low sugar headache.
Hey, he's back.
Who?
Who? Back again.
Is he back? Who's back?
Matthew.
Oh, Rathu, bro. I thought you meant Barry. I don't know. Barney? I don't know.
Evil stuff.
Okay.
Guess who's back again.
Boop. Boop. Okay. Wow, it's insanely loud.
Already know Matthew's fine.
Yep.
Okay, why are the lights for?
Oh my god, that scared me.
Hi, Matthew. Welcome.
Bro, why are the lights like
Matthew.
freaking out?
Bye, girl. Bye, girls.
Where's dehydration?
You're alright.
And then
Maybe there's more throw about here.
why don't you clean it then?
Why is it slime?
No reason. Oh gosh, I have to do a. Oh no. Okay,
By
you
the
know
way,
what?
There's a lot of people here.
I know you should help me. Blue,
Actually, there's people coming.
yellow, blue, green, blue,
I'll go get Matthew.
blue, yellow. No, it's fine. You check in people.
There. Matthew.
Boop.
I have to go check to make sure.
Oh my gosh. Stomachache, dried eyes, dehydration. Dried eyes, dehydration. Boom. And then, boom. I'm gonna do surgery. Okay, let's start. IV. Scissors.
Indeed. My eyes. Okay, I got you, Matthew.
Antibiotics. Bandages. Med kit.
Come on, Matthew. I need you to go.
Medicine. Scissors. Scissors. Come on. Yay! Doctor's arriving.
Hey.
Oh no, I forgot. Okay, you're gonna need to help me. I can't do this on my own.
Did Matthew leave?
He's about to. Be prepared.
Hi, girl. Two.
A lot of people are about to come through those doors. You deal
No,
with
I just
the
understand.
those ones, okay?
Okay, I won't be an emergency.
Go!
Hey, girl. Alright. That.
And boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, I should probably
boom,
deal with the critical.
boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that's what I told you to do.
Go.
Come on.
Come on, load.
Boom. Okay. Heart scan is done.
Canadian.
They need
We
maple
need
syrup.
maple syrup.
Headache. Medicine.
How is maple syrup and eye drops in a...
Who knows? Okay, I took care of a critical patient.
too?
Hello. Pink. Blue. Blue. Green. Pink. Blue. Blue. Green. Boop. Boop. And then let's check you out. Dried eyes, easy. And then boom. Okay, I did all my people. How you doing?
Just do 4.
Whoa. Bruise, headache. Bruise. 10 medicine. What? Hannah!
You go deal with that. Shoot.
Hannah.
My fault. What do I do with the skinwalker?
I dealt with it.
Hey, girl.
Look, what did you give them?
Wrong medicine.
What wrong medicine?
Said that they needed leaves, so I gave...
What? No one's in that room.
this.
They
They
needed
needed
herbs.
Ooh. Maybe don't look up.
I know. I already dealt with them. They all just need to recover.
What character are you? I am what Ivy looks like. Ivy, look at...
Hello.
Yes.
Oh, yes, thank you, but still,
Ow.
Yeah, it's a little scary.
What?
This game that we're playing. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, shoot. Ah. Okay. Shift 5.
pretty much.
Whew.
You take care of the animal. Oh, yes.
Hey, girl.
Hello. Whoop.
For now, it's crazy.
Whoop.
Don't worry, I'll be prepared.
Bonus.
I do not.
Gosh, I wonder why there was an animal death.
That's
Cap. They should check in like a lot faster now. Can I drink the coffee?
no, I'm at 32.
Can
Ivy!
You'll be okay. You don't work on the patients.
Out of here.
Sorry.
Leave.
Mm. Yes, my heart will always be with the girl. Mm.
Welcome, Gil Rivers.
I
I
will.
run.
Cat. Ooh, gotta do some surgery. What is that? What do I do? Hannah?
What?
What do I do? Hannah!
Go Maple.
Help me!
What do I do?
Oh, they just ran. You're good. Open up the door.
What do I need to do?
Nothing. You're fine. Go back to your job. Why? Why would they even... Oh! Oh my god, they're cooked. Okay, I genuinely have to lock in. IV drops.
Welcome, Phillips. First. Sorry, Matthew.
Give it!
Never
Antibiotic. Med kit.
Matthew, you look fine as you. Why are you always a patient, Matthew?
This.
Welcome.
Med kit. Med kit. Band-aid, 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 band-aid. Come on, hurry. Oh my god.
In wood. Wobble, wobble. Ivy, there's
Come here.
cameras down.
Come here. Follow me, you freak. Disappear.
Can you go fix that camera in there?
No, I really can't.
Oh no, there's a camera.
Oh my gosh, can you deal with that?
No. There's people coming in, like,
Listen, that is way more important than that.
well, it's not-
Just throw them away.
no, there's freaking fire, that's why. My sanity is literally killing.
Throw them away. Oh my god, throw them away.
Kid.
Right here. Oh my god.
Can you go put out the fire? My sanity's at 16.
Yeah.
Alright guys, coffee break. Oh, you're fine. Oh. Sophie, Tommy, I hope you have a good visit.
Okay.
Sure. Bye.
What is bleeding? Oh my god. Dried eyes. Bleeding. There you go, buddy.
Girl. Hi, Matthew. Here to help you. Hi, Tom. Watch you too.
Okay. Red,
Don't worry,
red.
I won't Tom
blue,
or Matthew.
blue. What?
I won't kill Matthew or Tom.
Tom?
Low blood sugar increases. Maple syrup, medkit, and
Dehydration rash. Okay. Boom.
Matthew is recovering. Don't worry, Tom. I will you. For dry eyes and lotion. Caramel, eye drops, maple syrup.
I was scared. Blue, right? Headache.
Okay, bye, Tom.
Okay.
Doctor better not be.
Okay. I think we should be chill.
Doctor's gonna be like, oh no, I
Oh,
have
no.
another
Oh,
ambulance.
ambulance. I wonder what happens if we shut the door on him.
I'm
Oh.
gonna try it.
Is that all you're gonna tell us? We already know.
I don't know this. Hey,
Can
I think I need the coffee again.
What are you at?
At 25.
How? Genuinely, what can you be doing?
The stupid, stupid freaking.
I guess we'll buy that.
That's exactly. Oh my gosh, out of service line.
Oh, Hannah.
I didn't do that.
Drink the coffee. What? Sure, yeah, you can hide it here.
Is this the fugitive?
No, this is... Technically, Barney was the fugitive, but we messed him up.
Stop doing my job.
Sorry I'm faster than you.
Get out of here.
Rathu, what could you be doing?
I wrap you. Love you.
Why did you just come back in?
Why did we just come back in?
I don't know. Are you gonna come have a chat with us?
I wrap you.
Oh my god. Why are there three? Oh my god.
Matthews?
No.
Why is he following me? Oh, hey, Rathu. Go hey.
There we go.
There's something on the cameras.
What was that?
Room 8.
I know, ghostly
eight.
presence. I don't want to deal with that right now.
Okay, yeah. You're fine.
What's Rathu doing?
Matthew's just chilling with me.
Is he setting up by you?
Okay.
No, I'm no way to
Girl,
dehydration low.
I can't let you in. Sorry. Thank you, Rathu. I so agree with that.
Carve maple. How do we get rid of the ghost?
Nerd. Didn't you file that paperwork last night? Shut up.
I'm gonna shoot the ghost. I don't think it'll do much, but hey. Are we gonna keep going till day 10 or what are we trying to do? Hannah?
I'm fixing a camera.
Yellow. Green.
There's a ghost
Red.
coming, Ivy.
Yellow.
What if one of them's like dark blue? Like, what if one's black? And they shouldn't be black.
Then they're probably wrong.
Okay, I'm just.
Blue. Now we're on the way to... Let me out! Let me out! Stop following me! I'm at 27.
Oh, don't bring the ghost in here.
I'm not. I need this coffee, by the way.
Yeah. Girl.
Oh, Ratina.
Be fine. You eyes don't look like that.
Escape. Tase him.
It's not.
Oh my god.
Hi, girl.
Hannah, open up!
I had to make sure she left.
Shoot. Oh my god.
Fine.
I
Is the thing still
swear. Where are... Get out of here. Now.
fire? Hi, girl.
Hannah, I don't know what to do about this stupid ghost. I'm
I don't either.
I'm not dealing with the fire. I'm not about to deal with that.
Good day.
Oh my god, I need maple syrup now.
Where the heck is the fire extinguisher?
I have it. Rash headache Canadian.
If you have the fire extinguisher, go extinguish the fire, please.
I'm literally about to die. I'm at 13. Wha-
Cursed photo.
I don't know. Oh my god. I hate you, Ron, from accounting.
I need the next coffee, by the way.
No, I need it. Genuinely, what are you at?
26.
I'm at 12.
Why are you at 12?
Oh
shoot.
my god. You got that.
I'm at freaking 18.
Can
Why
you...
did you not extinguish the fire?
Dude, because if I go in there, I'm gonna die.
Well, we're gonna have to
We're
deal
no,
with it for now.
yeah, no one's going to go into that room.
I didn't even get close to it. Rathy, what's up?
Dude, can Rathu actually do something for us?
I love Rathy.
What's he doing?
Sitting there.
Literally
Just
nothing.
waiting.
Favor. It's now on the way to escape. Midnight till sunrise. Stays that it goes like on and on and on. Can I have the coffee?
I mean, I'm at 16.
Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is the furthest you've ever made it, Ivy.
I know. I'll go.
Yeah, you seem fine. You seem fine. Need the next coffee, by the way.
Okay, I put it out without losing any sanity. Crap, who's in room 3? Yeah, recovering.
Hi, Ron from accounting.
Jeez, oh my god, you scared me so bad. Here's some maple
Oh,
syrup,
I've
buddy.
not ever been.
Oh, you're so cute. Do.
I guess, yeah, it's pretty sketchy. Like,
Rash, Drydas.
I miss Mobile Wobble.
Can you throw them away?
Who will ever know?
When will we ever not throw them away? Oh my god, are you guys kidding me? Get your friend! Oh my god, I don't want to deal with both of you at the same time.
Okay, so why'd you slime all over?
Whoa!
I'm just saying, like. I run from the account.
Bro, Hannah, if only we hadn't drinking. Why are there 3? Bro, you know, if we would have given Barney that coffee, we would have 2 coffee makers.
I don't care. I didn't do anything wrong.
Ah, that's
Told you,
true.
I'm gonna get coffee.
Yellow,
He
yellow.
pops up right after I get coffee.
I know, that's actually really mean. It's like, hey. And then we try our best. He couldn't have waited 20 more seconds. He literally had to do it like, he was like, you're just ignoring me. Like, no.
Bye.
Okay. Are the myths real? Yes.
So what if a patient is staring at the camera? That
I mean,
paranormal?
Rathu does that. Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me?
I'm just gonna say it's an anomaly.
Yeah, just ignore them. Okay. Can I have the next coffee? Midnight till sunrise. From the stay sad.
It might depend on what I'm at.
I'm at 19.
And then you-
Okay.
I'm probably like 20. Oh dear.
Bruises.
Yeah. Abby, by the way, impatient or you don't look.
Cat. Flu, low sugar. Flu, low sugar. Okay. We just need all of them to recover and we should be good.
Yes, I'm still playing that game.
Treat remaining patients. What do you mean?
They're
All of them.
recovering. They're recovering.
Yeah.
Unless you didn't drink one.
No, I did. So now we just chill, pretty much. Do we want to stop at number 10? Shift 10? What?
So I think you got that, Abby.
I'm at lower sanity than you!
Bye.
Stop. I'm at 6. I'm literally at 6.
It's not kind. I
What do you mean it's not kind? I'm buying chocolate.
said that's not kind. Brandy.
I bought myself chocolate.
How much did it cost?
35 Robux. No regrets. You can have the next couple coffees.
It costs 25 Robux.
It cost 35.
It costs 25.
Are you kidding me? I just got scammed by this game.
I can send you Kodo.
Bro, mine said 35.
Mine says 25.
Bro.
Okay. On from eating.
Oh my god, let us just check you in at this point. Genuinely, what could you want?
Hey, there's a person going, dude.
Okay. Yes, the stories are real.
Hi, Ron.
You got an anomaly.
Yeah.
You freaking kidding
Are
me?
you telling me that we're judging people by their... Are you telling me that we're judging people by...
Oh my god, Hannah.
I was literally opening the thing.
Okay, let's start.
16.
I can't. I don't know what to do.
I don't have a fire extinguisher, Ivy.
I'm working on a patient right now.
Uh,
I'll be done really quick. They'll be fine.
Try and book them really fast.
Yeah, it helped them. Actually, you know what? It's fine. I'll be out there in a sec. Okay, I'm coming.
You fine. Ready.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro. Sorry. It's not funny.
Dude. Oh my gosh. How do people get to like level or number 100? Shift 100.
I don't think this is that.
Like, it's just kind of like, oh my god, are you so for real? Flu fever.
Oh, because of it. Barney.
Barney?
Because of Barney.
What?
Oh, because of Barney.
Oh, yeah. I thought Barney was meant to come kill us, bro.
Hey, girl.
Come on down to Freddy's. I hate you so much. I hate you, Ghost. I hate you, Ghost. I hate you, Ghost. Like, what do I even do? Just not go into that room.
You are an employee. Both of y'all are-
Stop.
So I have reasons to later.
Low sugar.
Later, guys.
Okay. What?
I said later, guys.
Oh,
We're both at home.
dang. Okay, we just need to check in 3 more patients and we'll be on to shift 10. Oh my god.
Excuse me. No space here.
Sorry. Oh my god.
I checked the cameras last, by the way, so don't do anything. Can you go fix that camera?
Where's the ghost?
Oh,
What
the
camera? What camera? Oh my god.
It's-
No, you don't need.
It's in the lobby.
Okay.
Please don't tell me you can go through a door. Okay, later. The ghost is following you. Or was following.
Alright, no. Okay.
Oh.
What?
don't touch the gray one.
There are so many
Gray one.
plants in this room.
Gray one is a
Boop. And then, oh my gosh, my lip is so cracked. It hurts so bad. Bruce is bleeding. Boop. Oh my. I hate you. I hate Ghost. I hate you, Ghost. Genuinely, you're so annoying. Blue
What does the ghost do?
takes away 2 stamina. Blue, blue, blue,
Alright.
green.
Why is there something on the wall?
Oh, be careful. Those things come off. Bruises.
By the way, the ghost is.
Where?
I don't know where the ghost is.
I found it. Okay, is there any more patients you're checking in?
No.
Okay, oh my gosh. I think this is the end. At least. Even though it's endless.
More shift. Need to make it to shift 10, remember?
Oh my god, we did it.
No, we did not.
Are you actually kidding me? Oh my god.
How do you turn this thing off?
Okay. I don't.
Oh shoot.
What?
Oh shoot.
What do we even do?
Oh, there's a monster eating.
Well, they're gonna die. Just let
I
them
can't do it.
die.
I can't do anything. Yeah, there's too much going on. Are you freaking kidding me?
You just got really loud.
There is a.
You're,
Come here, buddy.
oh my god, you're very, very loud. Oh my god.
Why is there two?
You're so loud.
Thank you for going away.
Hannah, you got that in room 4, right?
I know, there was two little, like, black things.
Are you like really close to your mic or anything?
A little bit.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Oh, so drink is
Eye drops. Eye drops. Eye drops.
And where's the white one?
He's gonna die.
Oh no. What? What are we?
Oh.
What?
You got that right. Yours isn't a stomach ache. Medicine and herbs. Medicine and herbs.
Yeah, really good door. You're a really good door, but not for anything.
Please heal. Okay. Did you deal with the monster?
Yep. Okay.
Hey, you got that fire, right?
Is there anyone even in there?
No.
Then we're fine.
Bleeding Canadian and headache. Bandages, medicine, and maple syrup. I got a key, but I don't know what that's for.
Oh, I know where it's for. Come on, follow me, follow me, follow me. Not in here, not in here. Okay, come on. I think I know where it is.
We better hurry, because there's people gonna be waiting.
They can wait. They'll be okay. Come on, it's gotta be somewhere.
Okay, well, tell me where when you find it.
Okay.
Okay, no, I'm not serving you.
No.
Nia. We'll do the same.
Oh my gosh, Hannah, in here.
Hold up. Let me finish checking this patient. Oh yeah, you're fine.
I do mine first. So that's not on the
We can't do much about. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay, we just gotta lock in. We gotta lock in.
So this is the base.
Good job. What?
What?
This is gonna go.
Bro, no. Oh my god, you're so loud.
Oh well.
Okay, well, that's gonna be where we end it. At least we got to day 10, shift 10. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye-bye.